My name is Gianna Babs. It is Lab 4 Bones, and the date is February 4th, 2019. I'm going to be talking about the 4 different shapes of bones and examples of where they are in the body. The first bone is a short bone. It provides stability and support for the bones connected to it, and it has limited motion. An example of a short bone is the carpals and the tarsals, so the hands and the feet. The next bone is the long bone, and it acts as a lever, and it's longer than it is wide, and it helps to move muscles. It moves when the muscles contract. So an example of a long bone is your femur, the arms of the bone, so your humerus, and a third example would be your radius and ulna, so these two bones in your arms. The next shape is the flat shape, and the flat bones protect internal organs and as well as are points of attachment for muscles. So an example of a flat bone is the ribs. So you have ribs on this side as well as this side, and the sternum right here. The fourth shape is the irregular shape, and it supports and protects the bones from compressive forces. So an example of an irregular bone is the mandible, so your jawbone. It supports and protects the mouth from those compressive forces, like when you're eating or if you are hit in the jaw. Another irregular bone is the maxilla, and I want to say this is the maxilla right here, the upper part of the mouth, and it also protects and supports your mouth. So those are the 4 shapes of bones. However, there is a 5th shape, the sesamoid shape. There's only one of its type in the body that everyone has, but for different people, there are different numbers of sesamoid bones. But the patella is the only bone that everyone collectively has that's a sesamoid shape. It protects tendons by helping overcome compressive forces. So your knee bone, the patella, is that sesamoid shape.